Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying all of my videos. In today's video, I am sharing with you super unique and amazing ideas of crochet doilies. You will see different types of patterns and designs in this video with different kind of border edging patterns used to make them look more attractive and stunning as well. So just watch this video till the end to get all ideas, because all of these ideas are having different color schemes, different patterns are used to make them, and you will see different types of color schemes and contrasting color schemes used in most of these designs as well. You can see all of these designs are for absolute beginners. Many of these designs are simply made with double crochet stitch, which is the most quickest and easiest stitch to make in crochet project in my opinion. And for double crochet stitch patterns, all you need to do is making a circle with a double crochet stitch pattern, which mostly work like 12 double crochet stitches in the first round, and then 2 double crochet stitches in every stitch in the second round, and then 2 double crochet and 1 double crochet in the third round, and then 2 double crochet in one stitch and 1 double crochet in other 2 stitches, and it goes on like this. And you can have it as big as you want, and you can make the design with a chain one pattern as well, like this one, which is very simple and easy to make. And I have tutorial videos of these kinds of doilies on my channel already, because other than these kinds of ideas videos, I also upload crochet tutorial videos here on my channel. So you will also find beginner friendly stitches pattern videos, and you will find costers, doilies, and you will find baby products DIY videos available on my channel. So if you are interested in seeing more tutorial videos of crochet work or any pattern which is currently not available on my channel, just do let me know in the comments and I will make it for you. So stay connected and share your opinion in the comment box if you love these designs, and if you are interested in seeing specific ideas. And these kinds of crochet stuff ideas are not the only one which are available on my channel. I also upload macrame stuff ideas videos. You will find hand knitted projects ideas videos too on my channel, and you will find crafting related ideas also. So almost all types of DIY videos ideas are available on my channel, and you will find all types of stuff related to wearable accessories of women and kids, and related to home decoration products. So all types of products regarding ladies and kids are available, and home decoration products like wall hangings, rugs, table centerpiece designs, etc. are also available. Stay connected to get them all, and do subscribe. Press the red subscribe button and then all option. Press the bell icon to get notifications of future uploads as well. Thank you for watching.